Yeah, man, I rate the artists them we get them youth now. Any artist who pass 25 and don't get a youth, yo, no for chuck off. Yo, you see the youth where the youth, you see him a step up on the passport and forward now, say him apologize and it's a fake thing and like a prank thing, yo. Don't ramp with the things for youth. Yo, you know live a yard again and you can't do certain things, but we live out there seeing we, you know. We are the ones that we now run with here. You see it. Yeah, man, say if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get you right as a job. You see it. And we go forward and hear Skeng be Mada I say. And then we back here where the youth said speed, say, I apologize. You see, but I don't know who I apologize to if I don't violate and if you violate already, no business where you want to come out and say.
So guys, we reached late at the party, but we reached, right? So we reached, everything did all started, everybody did oats and everything. We reached and we sing happy birthday. It was good. Hey, sorry. Give us some. Give us some. Alright, go on with the things. Hi, Papa. Hi. Hi, say hi, vlog. Good night. Yes, yes. How y'all doing? I didn't go to the party. Tell them say I didn't go to the party because I was feeling sick. Yes. Yes. Tell them good night. Good night. I like that one. Look at this ping pong. Wait there, I always do this. Sit down, Papa. Hey. Look at your shirt there, Tim. And get some crayons. And I'm going to buy me a coloring book. And where are they? So let's get into the goodie bag. Me, I get little skateboard, skate on the toe of my son. Cup. You got candies. You want some? You need to give him some of your candy, baby? Give him some of your candy? Oh God, put on the glasses, my boy. Cool. Put it down, man. Put it down, man. Oh, man. Cool. What's that? Hey. Guys, I think this is it for the vlog. For all the vlog, yeah. I think this is it now. So, until next time, we'll talk again. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that for run come over my page and subscribe and all them something. Right? Right, Louise? Right, Louise? Anyways, guys, have a good weekend, guys.
And on behalf of the Jamaica community, I am very sorry for spitting on the passport. Even though it was fake, I already built a video and show people that it was fake. And they still doesn't believe me. I showed them on my live, I told them it was fake. They still doesn't believe me. But on the behalf of the Jamaica community, I am very sorry for spitting on my passport, and it will never happen again. And I even thought that the flag was a representation of our country. I never thought a passport is a representation of our country. I never thought that. You see what I say? So I am very sorry to the Jamaica community for spitting on the passport. You see what I say? So I'm sorry, people. Never happen again.